Hi, welcome to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a daily to-do list. So first, let's see a very short demo. After that, we will learn how to create this Excel template. So this table is the main working area. So here we can see too many columns. So first is task description. Here we will put the name of the task, that is which task we have to do. Then here we will create a drop down list for task category. Here we have to select a category type. Then here the priority. Then here we have to put a assigned date, that is in which day we have assigned this task. And here it is due date, that is in which day it should be completed. And here if any person is assigned, then you have to select the name of the person from the list. And the start date, if the task has been started, then you have to put the start date, otherwise it should be blank. And if the task is completed, you have to put the complete date, otherwise it should be blank. And in the status, according to these four columns, assigned date, due date, start date and complete date, this status changes. And here if this status is overdue or in progress, here you can see the overdue or days remain. And if it is not started, here you will see not started. And if the task is started, then here we'll see the in progress. In this way, you will see the cancel. If the task has not been started within the due date, then it will show up cancel. And in this notes column, you can put any note regarding this task. And after that, if you want to filter this data, you can filter with this slicer. Suppose if you want to see only completed task, then click here, you can see only completed task. If you want to see in progress, click here, you can see in progress task. And if you want to select multiple category, then click here and suppose in progress and due today. Then here you can see in progress and due today. And in the same way, if you want to see according to priority, then click here high, then only high priority task will be shown. If you want to see medium, then medium will show up. And if you want to select the multiple, then click here high and medium, you can see here. And according to this data, here you will see the number of tasks not started, in progress, due today, completed, overdue and cancelled. And here you can also see a progress bar. Now let's go to setup worksheet, where we will see the list for this drop down list. So click here. Here you can see there are three lists. One is category, that is the task category, where you can add more category here, as many as you want. Here you can add the name of the person, as many you want. And here also you can add priority level if you want. And you can also delete any row by just right click, delete, and delete table row. Then you can see the person 3 is deleted. Let's go to to-do list. So in this way, this total to-do list work. So let's understand how to create this Excel template. So this is a new workbook. First save it, save, and save it in a folder. Type here daily to do list. Then click on save. Now we will create here another sheet and rename this sheet as setup, and here to-do list. Now we will start with setup. So first increase this row height to 75. Okay. Now create a small margin column. Now select up to L and color it. Now we'll insert a shape. Go to insert, illustration, then shape, then select this one, arrow shape. Now draw this shape according to your need, then rotate this one to 90 degree and then put it here like this way. Now change the color. You can select this color and a border. So border color should be white, and here this weight should be one and a half. Okay, now here we will put a gear icon. So insert picture, select this icon, insert. So you can download this picture from the Google. Okay, now type here to do list setup. Now go to home, keep it in middle, then change the font and the font size according to your need. Okay. Now we will create the list for category, then assign to, then priority. So if I increase this, you can see the shape changes. So first select this shape and this picture and right click, format object. Then here in the properties, don't move or size with cell. Select this one, then close it. Now you can increase this column size and type here category. Then here priority. Then assign to. Okay. So reduce this column size. Okay. Now select this two cell, go to insert, table, then my table as headers. Okay, so you got the table here. Now go to design and select the table style. Then select this one, first one, this one. Now again select this, then insert, table, then here. Okay, now you can see, go to design, you can again select, then again select this two, then insert, then table. So now here you can add the category, suppose payment, tuition, then shopping. In this way you can add as many category you want. Then in the priority, high, medium, low. You can add this in your way, there is no problem. And assign to person 1, or you can use the person name actually. So in this way you have to add this. Now we have to create a name range for this. So for that, select this and go to formula, then name manager, and here click new, and here you can see already the name is shown here, payment, but here we have to give the name category. So type here category. Okay, now another one, here type priority, then here it should be this one, and another one is assign to, and select this one. Okay, so here is some mistake, so here it should not be blank, you can give underscore. Okay, so we have 3 name list. So close this one. Now here we will create a button to go to this to-do list worksheet. So for that, insert, illustration, shape, select a shape. Now here we will give a format. So we will give this format, and now here we'll give another icon. Is insert, illustration and picture. Select this one. Okay, so we got this. Now put it here, and here you can right click on the shape and type edit text, and type here to do list, and select this one, and you can actually move this by pressing this one here. home. And this way you can move this text. Now select here, here. Okay. Now select a font of your choice. I will select this one and keep it black color, and yeah, increase the font size. You can also rotate this one also, and this way if you want to rotate, you can rotate this one. So select all this and group it. Okay, now we will create a link to this worksheet. So right click and link, and I select this one, and here it should be A1. Okay, now if I click here, we came to to-do list sheet. So we have already completed this worksheet. Now we will work on to-do list. So first, reduce the width of column A to size 3, and here row height to 75. Okay, so first we will take from A to N and color this. After that, we will insert a shape, this one. Okay, and now rotate this. Go to format, rotate 90 degree. Now put this here and decrease the size. Okay, now change the color. Go to format, fill this color and outline white, and the outline weight is 1/2. Okay, fine. Now we insert an icon here. So go to insert, then click picture and select this icon and reduce this size and put it here. And we can also rotate this in this way. Okay, now here we will type daily to-do list, daily to-do list. Okay, now change the size and also change the font and make it in the middle. Okay, now here we'll create a button to go to the setup. So for here we'll select this one, copy this and paste it here, and now ungroup this one, go here and ungroup, delete this one, and also type here setup. Okay, you may increase the size of this or reduce this one. Okay, and here we'll insert the icon for the gear. So go to picture, select this one. Okay, select this two, then group it and give here a link for place in this document to do setup, and here this cell will be A1. Okay, now if I click here, that will here. If I click here, we come here. Now here we will start creating the table. For that, type here task description, then category, then priority. After that, assign date, then assigned to, then start date, then complete date. After that, status, then notes. Okay, now select this two row, then go to insert and click table. and here click my table as header. Okay, now change the theme of this table. So go to design and select this one, green table style medium 7. Here I missed two column. So first one is here, insert column to the left. Here I have to give due date, and here after the status, days remaining. So here also another column to the left. So days remaining. So here we need to increase or decrease this column. So first we need to change the nature of this image and the auto shape. So go here and go to properties, then don't move and or size with cells. Okay, now select all these cells, and here also click like this way. Okay, here we got more, so reduce this one. Okay, and this one also. Now we will put here some sample data to work on this. So let's copy this one. So I have copied this data now. So here we have some task. Sorry, here we have to delete this one and this one also. So now here we will put the drop down list for the category. So for that, select all this up to the last row of the table, then go to data, then data validation, here list, then here press F3, and here is category. Okay, so we got the category list, and here select all these cells, then again go to data, then data validation, here also list, then here press F3, priority. Okay, so we got the priority list, then here assign to, go to data, data validation, list, then in the source press F3, assign to. Okay, so we got the assign. Now you can fill this with this category. So here payment, and here kitchen, you can increase the category. So here is no category for clean kitchen. So go to setup, here you can enter a category cleaning. Okay, now here you can see cleaning, then here you can give dance class tuition, payment. Here you can put this call friend as others. Go to setup, here category other, then go to to-do list, here other, here all are other. Okay, so we can give here the priority high, and here you have to put the assign date manually and also the due date manually. And assign to, you can assign any person, and here if the task has been started, you have to give here the start date, and if the date is task is completed, then you can give the complete date. So now we will calculate the status and the days remaining. So let's start with the status. So first here we will use the nested if function. So type here equal to, or you can type here, let's increase this one, equal to if, then or assign date equal to blank, comma, due date equal to blank, then we will get blank result, then comma, then next logic. For that we'll go to next line, so press alter and enter, then again if, bracket open, and complete date. So this one, complete date equal to blank, comma, start date not equal to blank, comma, then due date, this one is less than today, then and close. Then that means if this date is blank and start date is not blank and this date is less than today's date, then we will get overdue, comma, then again alter enter. If again and complete date equal to blank, comma, start date not equal to blank, comma, due date is equal to today, bracket close for and, then it is due today. That means the task should be completed today. So due today, comma, then again alter enter. If again and complete date equal to blank, comma, start date not equal to blank and due date, sorry, here, comma, due date is greater than today, then bracket close for and, then comma, then it is in progress. So in progress. Okay, then again alter enter. If again and complete date is equal to blank, start date not equal to blank, comma, due date is greater than today. Due date is greater than today, sorry. Complete date not blank, then start date greater than today, in progress. Okay, start date equal to blank. Here it should be equal to blank, and here greater than today, then not started. That means this cell is blank and this cell is blank and due date is greater than today. That means we have more days to start this task. So it is not started. Okay, comma, alter enter. If and complete date is equal to blank, comma, start date is also blank and due date is less than today, then it should be cancelled. Okay, then comma, alter enter. If and complete date not equal to blank, comma, start date not equal to blank, then it is complete task. Complete. Okay, now we have to close all the brackets. So sorry, here and should be completed here. Okay, now here close. Okay, here we have to also close one bracket. Okay, bracket close. Okay, now press enter. So here are some mistake. Let's see where is the mistake. Maybe I have given wrong bracket. Then here logic value is true. Here is the problem. Then let's see. Here should be one comma. Okay, now correct. Press enter. So we got all the values. You can see here these two are not blank, so it is complete. And here the due date is 20th June, but it has not been completed within this date, so it is showing overdue. And Here this 2 has not started. Due date is 21, but today is 23rd. That is why it is cancelled. These two are cancelled. In this way, the status has generated. Now we will calculate the remaining days. So we will calculate in this way. If it is completed, it should be blank. If it is overdue, how many overdues? That means how many overdues you have taken. If it is cancelled, then also blank. If it is due today, then also blank. If it is in progress or not started, then here we will get how many days remain to complete this task. So let's do it. So type here equal to. So if assigned date and due date is blank, so here it will show blank. So for that, if assigned date equal to blank, sorry, here you have to give another, you have to use the OR function. So or this date equal to blank, comma, this date is also equal to blank, bracket close, then we'll get blank result. Let's do it here, comma, and again if, again or, if the status, that means this one is equal to complete, or this date is cancelled, equal to cancelled, then also we will see blank result. Else due date minus today, bracket close, enter. So you can see we got here the values. So we have here minus value, here is 0, and these are positive value. So we will format this. So for that we have to select all this and go to right click and format cells. Now go to custom. Here we will type here first 0 space, then double quote. So if we have positive number, then we will see that it is days remain. So type here day remain. Okay, then semicolon. And for negative values, we have to write 0 space, then quotation open, overdue, quotation close, then again another semicolon for 0. For 0, we will not give any value, then quotation close. Now, okay, you can see 3 overdue, 1 days remain, 2 days remain. In this way, all these days are remain. And here you can see complete is blank, cancelled is blank, here complete is blank. So in this way you can format this negative number and positive number to overdue and day remain. Now here you can put the note when you complete or cancel any task. And now we will highlight those tasks which have been completed or cancelled. So for that, select the rows, then go to home, conditional formatting, then new rule. Then select use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then type here equal to this cell equal to complete. So press F4 twice to make the column fixed. Then equal to, then within double quotation complete, double quotation close. Then go to format. Then select bold and color as orange. Okay. Then click OK. You can see those are got highlighted. And now for the cancelled, go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, then again this one, and type equal to this cell, press F4 twice, equal to cancelled, then format, then select here bold, dark red, and here strike through. Okay, okay. So we got this cancelled highlighted. So in this way you can give conditional formatting for all the status type, but here I have given for complete and cancelled only. Now we will create a board here for how many tasks is completed or not started in that manner as I have shown before in this file. You can see here not started, progress, how many, this thing we will create. Another thing is this chart. So let's do it. So first let's go to setup and type here not started, then in progress, then due today, then completed, then overdue, then cancelled. Okay. Now we will calculate all this. So we'll calculate here. So equal to, go to to-do list, select here, sorry, here we have to put count if, comma, then click here, then press enter. So you got here 4. Now we'll calculate this one. So the same way you have to calculate this, equal to count if, select this range, then comma, then this one, bracket close and enter. 4. So we got all the values. So here you can see the link. So here right click, edit link, and in the screen tip type here go to setup, then okay. Okay, now you can see we do not see any link here, just can see go to setup. Okay, now remove this one from here. Okay, put it here. Now here we'll create the tab. So go to insert, shape. Now we will take this one like this way and flip this horizontally, sorry, vertically. Okay, now put this here from G to here up to L. So we will adjust it later. Now go to format, give the fill as white, and border no border, there is no outline. Okay, so we got it here. Now we will type here all the text. Now go to insert, here we will insert a text box. So here click this one like this way, do not put the cursor inside the text box, just outside text box, and click here equal to and select this one. So we got here not started. So you can change the formatting, so we'll do it later. Now copy this, so press Ctrl and Shift to make it just aligned. We need 6, so create 6 text boxes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we got start date. Now for this one you can M here, you can type N, in progress, and O, then here P, here Q, and here R. Okay, now we can change the formatting for this. So click here, select all this. Okay, now go to home, here choose a font. So here I will choose Cambria, size 12 and bold. Okay, and we will remove all the border for this. So outline, no outline, and fill, no fill. Okay, so we made it. Okay, now started. Okay, another thing we have to do is make it center and middle. So for that go to home. Okay, now we got center and middle all this. Now just reduce. Okay, now here also In this way you have to adjust the text box. And now select all this by pressing this shift and go to format and align distribute horizontally. Okay, now we will put one bar here. So for that, insert shape and take a line, just draw a line. Okay, we have to put in between this. Now copy this throughout the text. Just control shift, hold the control shift and drag all this, so it will be copied automatically. Now select all this. You can give it a ash color, then it will look good. So go to format and here outline color is this one. Okay, and outline weight give 3/4. Okay, now we can give it a color. So before that we will create here a circle. So take this circle, press Ctrl Shift and drag to make it a perfect circle. Okay, so copy this circle. Okay, before that type here equal to and go to setup and select this one. So we got here 4. Now drag this with by holding the control and shift. Now hold this text box and this circle, go to format, align center, and this one align center. Okay, no, you have to just do like this way. Okay, all done. Now here we have to change from M to N, then O, then P, then Q, and here R. Okay, now change the color. So first select all this and go to home and select a font here. We take this one, then color. So here we'll put the color as white like this way, and we'll color this with light blue, this one, and for this one we will give orange color, this one, and for this purple, then for this one green, then again this orange, then here dark red, this one. So you can see a border for all these circles. So we want to remove this border, so go to format and no outline. Okay, done. So we can give a formatting for all this in a different way. So go to format, shape here, then you can give a shadow, light shadow. Okay, done. Now also color this. Okay, now this is done. Now if I give here, suppose here not started, here if I type a date, suppose it is 22nd, or I guess today is 23rd, let's give it 23rd 06 22. So you can see it is changed, progress in progress 5, and here not started is 3. This two has changed. Now we will create the chart here. For that, go to setup, and here we will calculate in different way. First, equal to this cell divided by sum of all these numbers. So bracket open, select all this cell, then press F4, bracket close and enter, and drag this. Okay, if I sum all this, then we will get 1 sum. Okay, so 1 means 100%, so these are the percentage actually. So now we will create a chart. Select this, then go to insert, then click here and select this chart. Now select this chart and go to design and select switch row or column. Now here select this number axis and right click format axis, and here in the maximum, here you can see 1.2, so here it is showing 1.2, but we have to do 1 highest, this is 100%, so it get completely filled. Now close this and remove all this chart area. So axis is deleted, chart title is deleted, and grid line is also deleted. Now I want to remove this blank area, so right click, format plot area, here click fill, no fill, and this one also no fills. Okay, it's not nothing, okay, no fill. Now minimize this and go to format data series, and here you keep it 0 so that this get maximized, and now make it little thinner, and you have to move this chart, so right click and move chart to to-do list, then okay, so we got it here. Now put it here. Okay, so now here we will create a text box, so go to insert, text box, and now type here status progress bar. Okay, now change the font and font size, make it center middle, and give this color as blue. So go to format and you can give the shape color as this one. Okay, and make the font as white, and drag this till here. Now you can give here the name of the series, so right click, data label, add data label. So here we got the values, so for all this we can add the data label, or we may select all this, right click, format plot area, and sorry, here you can get data level for all at a time. Okay, now we can change this, so it is in center, and right click, format data label, and here series name, and remove this two. In this way give this series name for all. Okay, now you can also change the font for all this. So now everything is done. So here you can see the color is not same, these colors are different. So we can change the color. So for this one we'll get blue. So here we get the light blue, and this one, or you can also give it from here, it should be green. Then for this one orange, and this one is dark red. Okay, now close this one. Now there is another thing left, that is the slicer. So we can create the slicer. Suppose you go to the table, click any cell, then go to insert and click here slicer. Then which slicer you want. So first we'll take it category wise and priority wise. So click category and priority. So you got to slicer, and now here go to option, select theme wise. This one, let's take this one. Okay, select this, go to option, select this. Okay, now put it here, and this one here. Okay, now you can filter according to your need. If you want to select multiple, select this one. You can select multiple. Okay, so you can see here on border here, so we have to remove this border. Go to format, outline, no outline. Okay, now it's perfect. Now everything is completed, and I have tried my best to make you understand. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.